The release of the DJI Mini 5 Pro has captured significant attention in the world of aerial photography, appealing to hobbyists and professional photographers alike. The DJI Mini series has consistently set benchmarks for compact drones, and the Mini 5 Pro takes this reputation further by incorporating groundbreaking improvements in camera capabilities, flight time, intelligent tracking, and enhanced safety features. Designed for anyone with a passion for aerial photography and filmmaking, this new drone blends professional-grade tools with user-friendly accessibility with a sleek, foldable design and lightweight build that makes it easy to take anywhere. The Mini 5 Pro represents a substantial upgrade, not only improving upon the features of previous models, but also integrating the latest drone technology. One of the DJI Mini 5 Pro's standout features is its advanced camera system. Equipped with a robust 1/1.28-inch sensor and a wide aperture, this new model captures high-resolution images and videos with remarkable detail and vividness. This sensor size allows the camera to perform exceptionally well in low-light conditions, providing higher dynamic range and minimizing noise. Additionally, the camera supports 4K video recording at 60 frames per second (FPS), producing smooth, lifelike footage with cinematic quality, a critical upgrade for filmmakers who want high-end results. For content creators who rely on seamless subject tracking, the Mini 5 Pro introduces an upgraded focus track mode. This intelligent feature lets users effortlessly frame and track subjects, including people, vehicles, or pets. The AI-powered tracking system enhances the Mini 5 Pro's ability to maintain subject clarity and optimal focus, regardless of complex background movement. This mode is particularly useful for outdoor adventure videographers or travelers who want to capture themselves in motion, whether hiking up a mountain, biking down a trail, or capturing moments with family and friends. Performance-wise, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is built to outlast its predecessors. The drone boasts a flight time of up to 34 minutes on a single charge, allowing users to explore larger areas and record extended shots without interruptions. The new battery design contributes to extended flight time and faster recharging. This feature is especially beneficial for those working in remote areas where quick access to charging points is limited. This 360-degree obstacle detection system significantly reduces the chances of accidental collisions and enhances the overall flying experience, particularly for those new drones. Master Shots automatically plans and executes a sequence of shots, creating a cinematic video complete with transitions and music. The new battery design contributes to extended flight time and faster recharging. This feature is especially beneficial for those working in remote areas where quick access to charging points is limited. This 360-degree obstacle detection system significantly reduces the chances of accidental collisions and enhances the overall flying experience, particularly for those new to drones. The Mini 5 Pro automatically detects potential hazards in its flight path, offering real-time feedback to avoid obstacles and maintain a safe distance. With the quick transfer feature, the DJI Mini 5 Pro enables users to transfer files directly to their smartphones or tablets. This convenient feature saves time and allows creators to edit and share their footage almost instantly, which is a huge advantage for social media influencers, vloggers, and photographers who prioritize quick uploads. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is compatible with the RC Pro remote controller, offering users enhanced control over their flight experience. This remote features a built-in display that provides a more immersive flying experience, reducing the need to connect to a smartphone and streamlining the control process. With battery life often determining the duration of shoots, DJI offers alternative battery options to maximize flight time. Users can choose between standard batteries and high-capacity options, depending on their needs. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has an impressive range of up to 10 kilometers, making it suitable for capturing footage over large areas while maintaining a strong, reliable connection. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.